The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good Tuesday morning, fellas. Deepak, Jim. Guys, good morning, good morning. Francis, fellas, very good morning to you. We once again come into Zach, good morning. Scott, good morning. Come into markets up. NASDAQ currently up 88. ES up 13 and change. YM up 92. Russell up, call it 4. Gold's up $8, almost $9. We're pretty much green stocks across the board. Pre-market zooms down, Lucid's off a bit. IBM, Square's flat. Moderna down again. They're not selling any boosters. Any event, guys, we'll trade what we see today. There's the 8 o'clock bell. We had an exceptional trade again yesterday. We'll look to keep that going. Very quickly, we have had one NASDAQ trade. It has gone to first and second targets. This is the first trade of the day on the bot. So we've got one in the books. That is all that has fired a trade at this juncture. Thank you, Mimi. So we're looking for a possible rejection on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has traded up into resistance at that 60 area. If we can get cleanly above 65, 67, we can work to 760, which gives us all-time highs again, pretty close to it. I think January is going to be the end of this rally. I think this is just a year-end. Let's make year-end statements look awesome. Kind of thing. Let's check news today. See if we have anything on the calendar for Tuesday. Redbook retail sales. Who cares? Nothing at 8:30. Housing price index. We really don't have any news today. No earnings. Nah, we've got nothing. Nothing. Taking a look at order flow. Volume's not terrible today. I did, Mimi. I did. Yep. I listened to them whenever you said them. Volume's not terrible, guys. We have 58,000 contracts have traded. We're about 10,000 light, which is not anywhere. Yesterday we came in, we were really, really low. Gold is light. 31,000 contracts have traded in gold. We do have net buying. We also obviously have net buying in the NASDAQ. Crude is a little better than average, not much. And the ES, really light. Very light in the ES. So we'll see what we get today. We have no news. And just looking around, NASDAQ is currently in longs holding support at 42. I'd like to see us dump down to 32. I can see the NASDAQ. I don't know that this happens, but 500. We could. 580, and then below that, 500. I don't know that happens. Morning, Dan. Need another 10-tick trade, Marco? Gotcha. What do I see in gold? It's crude. Gold should trade to 21. I don't think it trades a whole lot higher than 21. I take that back. On the daily, gold will probably trade up to the top of the cloud, maybe 32, 33. And then a breakout. If we can get above that 33 area, it'll break out. Russell, I have a 72 and an 85. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Were you in yesterday? I didn't see you come in yesterday. If you did, I didn't see you. Uh-oh, not COVID, I hope. Head cold. Yeah, those are still around. You don't hear anything about the flu. We had a monster trade yesterday. Natural gas getting beat up, and crude looking like it wants to pull back, maybe 76.30. Somewhere in that area. Crude is going to trade up to 78 and 80 bucks. And buy pullbacks is what it's looking like on crude. If you guys, excuse me, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Friday, I believe, is a half day as it's New Year's Eve. My guess is we'll take the day off. We'll just trade Monday through Thursday. If you guys are in order flow class today, the link has been sent. Everybody should have it. If you do not have it, send me an email and I will send you the link once I close the room. I will not do the afternoon session again today. If you guys watched the afternoon yesterday, it was dead until close to the close. And we managed a really nice trade at the close. In any event, we're here. We'll trade what we see. Trade accordingly. I will read the disclaimer. Once I find it. And we'll get on with it. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your see if we can't get that 22 quarter. Yeah, NASDAQ's got a bit of support here. What time is it? 15. It'll probably come down on the next candle. Next 10-minute candle. Need a break of 15-minute support at 25.5. YM, same look. Yes. There's your short on crude. There's your short on crude. If you guys want to try a crude short, there's crude. Target number one for me on crude is 41. NASDAQ, you rat bag. I tell you guys how much I love pre-market. I don't really want to see crude above 70. That's my stop, 70. NASDAQ's going to pop up. Out on crude. I'm out on crude. I'll get crude. Didn't go to stop. Nice job, Rick. Nice job. See if I can get a pullback in it. Dan. NASDAQ's now just sitting. Got to get back below 31. I won't let this go now above 36, maybe 7. 37. 6-point stop for me. I'm out, guys. I'm out. This is going to bounce to maybe 38 to 40. Hate pre-market. Yeah, I think CL's long. NASDAQ should come down. Yep. On NASDAQ, it stopped at 36-ish, 37. Above that, it'll go to 40, 42, and then 46. Oh, CL. I like crude long. gold. Target one filled on gold. Morning, John. Slow and slower, fellas. Slow and slower. This is all we got going on here, fellas. Come on, gold. While I was gone, gold took a short. Trade number 2. Nothing on crude. NASDAQ ES is looking, now it may short. You're in all longs. Let's see here. RTY 2250. That was your entry, 2252. Again. We still have 10 minutes, guys. I would think that's the end of it. We should get an up move here. On the 15-minute, we traded right into the 50, and we're bouncing. I would think I'm looking for the long on a move above 05 half on the NASDAQ. For the 1 millionth time this week, disregard my Ninja Trader NASDAQ if you're watching my screens. It is not even close. Ninja is at 79. I'm sorry, NASDAQ now 85, 86. 80. It looks to me short, guys. My DOM is correct. My charts are not. Makes no stinking sense to me. 71, 70, 67, 66. Makes no sense. We're at 66, 68. Freaking Ninja, man, seriously. YM is getting a bid. ES is hanging on to the bottom of the cloud. Russell trying to pop. Gold doing nothing. Crude held the bottom of the 10-minute cloud and bounced. But at the moment, to me, it looks like shorts. We're right. NASDAQ is hanging out around 570, 565, 64. $82. NASDAQ's at 72. We're holding around 68, guys. Now we're pushing down 60. Let me look at YM. Can't do anything with YM long YM. If you trade YM, long YM. It's at the high of the day, but YM is long. That's not what I wanted. Come on, you jackass. Let's go. This is what happens when you don't pay attention. You guys good on the YM? YM's going higher, fellas. You guys good on the YM? Anybody take it? Nobody. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Good. Target number one should be 14 to 16. 14 to 16. Getting a bounce in gold. Nothing in crude. Natural gas, nothing. Qs are still getting hit, fellas. Yeah, my Ninja is 2 on NASDAQ. Just NASDAQ. Oh, look at this NASDAQ. Down to 535, fellas. Maybe we now come 21. Yes, I did, Keith. Unintentionally. There you go, Marco. On NASDAQ or on YM, Marco? I can't trade NASDAQ. I mean, I can trade it off of, let me see, 44, 45. My DOM is correct. My chart is not. I can trade it off the DOM. I'm really digging this 4 and 5 tick spread on the NASDAQ. The heck is up with that? Market's open. Maybe down to 485, fellas, on the hourly. 485. One chart isn't even close, guys. We're at 65. Everything else is good. YM is longs. Ideally, we get a pullback, but it's longs. Every time frame, it's going to have to get above 330. 47.90. All prices are 622.65. Everything is correct on my chart except NASDAQ. It is the only one that is incorrect. All of my charts are correct. My order flow is incorrect. It's reflective of the chart. Yeah, I'm not interested in crude down here. I think it's coming lower. Next 10-minute candles in 3.5 minutes. 38. 60. Qs are bouncing. Qs are long, 403.5. You have a long on the Qs. NASDAQ's going to go. It's just, we're at 59 quarter. I'm damn close. 61, 60, 62. I wish this thing would catch up so I can do something here. 52. That's like 7 handles off. 940.49. Let me do this. Let me see if this fixes it. 56. Nope. I mean, we're hanging out on the NASDAQ in the 50s here. We're just not going anywhere. And without being able to know the real delta, it makes it, tough. NASDAQ's at 57.50, 58. If you guys have accurate data, then you know that. I tried the long. Yeah, that's not going to do it. I still like this 50, 52, 67. No, that didn't do it. Didn't do anything. All my indicators, David, are built for what? All my indicators are built for Ninja. I mean, I do have order flow now for TradeStation. I do. Yes, Ed. All right, 49, 45. Yeah, I have the bot order flow for TradeStation. Of course, it's costs. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but yes. $9.97 for TradeStation because guys already have. I'm giving people, if someone is new and they wanted it for TradeStation, then it would be, the regular price. But somebody that already has it, order flow for Ninja 8 gets a discount on it. We just can't get out of the 60s levels, guys. We're trying to break up. We should go to 80. I don't know why this thing just keeps yutzing around. We got a bot trade long. Trying to get to 80. It just hit 80. We just hit 80. Yes, I do, Rick. I'll send it to you. We're going up, guys. We're going to 590. NASDAQ is long. Disregard this garbage Ninja platform, which I know, third-party indicators. I know. That's what they'll tell me. We're at 74. We're going to 90. This is trade number 2. Target filled. Bot's cranking today. Target 2 filled on the bot. Guys, here's where we're at on the bot currently. I'm up 2,105 pending the completion of this trade, 2105. Yesterday we did 2525. Anybody holding YM? It's a nice trade. 70, 80 ticks in YM. We are at 82, so we're above VWAP. Fudge, man, I'll tell you, this is a fudge a duck. It really is. There's nothing I can do. I've been. All right, guys, sit tight. Nice job. We're at 83, guys. 83. 82.50. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Yeah, well, Facebook is probably dragging this up. Apple's off $0.50. Facebook's up 5.30. Tesla's now up $6. Amazon's up. Netflix is up. Nvidia still red. Baidu red. Google red. Moderna's now up. If you're long NASDAQ, Scott, next area of resistance is right around 90. 90. We're there now. Now we're going to have to push above 95, 96. And I think we're going right back up. I think this is... All right, guys. Russell on the bot got all three targets. I'll go over trades at 11. Okay, that's right. Booyah, baby. Got it. Got it. Got it. I am long. I'm not short. I'm long, dude. I said you can go long at 58.50. Guys, I'm telling you the NASDAQ is longs. It's longs. If it takes me out, I don't really care. Took me out. Now we come down to 29. At least I can trade. Yeah, 11:30. Let's get rid of those guys. You can scalp this short here at 42.75. Nope, not now. Now you can scalp 38.25. Right there. That should fail. Yeah, 15. Now we're just dinking around. I did, Ryan. If you don't, guys, if you don't have the link for order flow class today, send me an email. I sent the link out this morning. There are a handful of people I know that regularly don't get them from Benchmark email. I've sent them to you as well. You're not in class today, Dan. That's why you don't have one. Your class doesn't start till the second week of January. Would be meaningless to you. I'm way too far into what I'm teaching. If anybody is interested in the next class, I do have one slot left. I'm telling you guys this. This will be the last order flow class that I teach under the current format. Meaning, going forward, I may offer the order flow class just as a 6-month class. The price won't change. And you know, I don't care if I don't do another class. But this is the last class where you will have a 2-year membership. I do not want to commit any further than that. If people want to learn order flow, I'll still teach them, but it'll just be a 6-month class. So if there's someone that, you know, wants to get in, or you've been waiting, let me know. I have one slot left. Long NASDAQ. Guys, we're not shorts. We just haven't broken up yet. But we're not shorts. We're trying to move back higher. I'm guessing we'll do that once we get rid of Europe. Yeah, Veronica, probably Thursday. Probably Thursday. So what I normally do is when I get my class, you're welcome, Marco. When I get my class, I normally send out a, all right, my friend, I'll see you mañana. I send out an email and make sure Thursday works for it. We'll, you know. I mean, I can do it any day other than Tuesday. So it doesn't matter, or Friday. I won't do them on Fridays, but it doesn't matter to me. NASDAQ, you can take it long here, 51. Didn't pull back. There it is. I'll just keep dinking and dunking them. I'll keep dinking and dunking them. I mean, you guys have seen me scalp 5s and 10s. I'm not afraid to scalp with size. Yesterday, yesterday I traded 2 out of the 3 accounts and did over 1,000 in both. This morning, as of right now, I have plus 700, plus 720, and plus 640. Couple $1,000 across 3 accounts. Guys, is everybody making some money today? Do I have anybody not making money? All right, Paul, I'll work on it for you, man. It was just really, I apologize, guys, for the inconvenience this morning, but I couldn't trade NASDAQ. We're longs, though, fellas. I'm telling you, we're longs. If you guys have the ability to ride it out, we're longs. We're going to trade back to 600. We're long and then up. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. 50 is support. Real stop would be 33, 32. It's just dinking around in here, probably till we get rid of Europe. We're fighting yesterday's close again. There it goes. Your target is 80. That's a target, like target 1. Seven minutes to the, now that'll be the 11 o'clock bar. $48.05. Okay. Come on, don't be a chump. Guys, at the top of the hour, I will do, I'll go over bot trades. Let's see. E-mini, as of 9:38, no one seems to have upper hand. Balance, trading conditions at play. Your target was met after we opened. Blah blah blah. Yeah, yeah. We're pretty sloppy in here. There's no question. No question. That's all right. I'll just keep beating them up for 12, 10, 12 ticks first target and trying to get a runner. Yes. ES had 2 trades today. I thought it did. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. No, 1 trade. My bad. NASDAQ had 1 trade today. Didn't save it because I did a forced shutdown. So 1 for 1 in the ES. Okay, 1 trade on the ES. Geez, I keep saying that. 1 trade on the NASDAQ today. The ES had 1 trade, a short winner, first target only. 1 for 1 on the ES. That's what I have. Russell had 2 trades. Before I had to do a forced shutdown. Trade number 1. Trade number 2. Which I got both of those. 2. Here is trade number 3. It took apparently 2 more. So you would have had 2 winners, 2 losers on Russell. I guess the forced shutdown was a blessing. No, it's 4. Idiot. All right, let me mark those down. 1, 2. Gold. I am. I like NASDAQ long. It's going long, guys. As soon as we get rid of these Europeans, they'll trap these guys, would be my guess. Trade number 1 was a winner. Trade number 2. Trade number 3 would have been a loser. Let me write that down. So two winners, a loser. And my bots guys did. Here is where my bots are. 2870. 2870. Now I did not get 2 losers in Russell or the loser in gold or the winner in gold. 2870. For those of you guys that are new with the bot, one of the hardest things, it's almost impossible for me to teach. But one of the hardest things for you guys to learn is, when do you shut the bot off? Just because the suggested hours are until 11 doesn't mean you have to. Now, if you're not in front of your computer, there is a setting in the bot, CL bot 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Trade 1 winner, trade 2 winner. Let me mark that down. 2 for 2. I got the first one, not the second, because I shut my bots off. Or I did a forced shutdown, and they don't start up when, if you leave them on and you shut your platform down, it doesn't start with them back on, which I'm okay with. But one of the hardest things for guys to learn is, or traders to learn is, when do I shut it off? There is a setting in there where you can put a daily goal and a daily draw, but for the week, bots are up $5,400 in 2 trade sessions, depending on how you traded it. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. I will see all of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. God bless as well, Jeffrey. I will see all of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. I will see my order flow class in 45 minutes. And then I am done for the day. For my members, pay attention to Skype late in the day. I won't do any trading basically from 11:30 when Europe closes until probably 3 o'clock. It's just dead. It's dead. All you're doing is rolling the dice. You're welcome, Deepak. Aren't you in class this afternoon? I don't know. I'm 660, 665, Dan. See you, Jeff. Guys, be blessed. I will see all of you tomorrow. Some of you in